Well, here's another project done. Get the alternator cleaned, painted, and reassembled. Looks like a brand new alternator. Later. Well, my brother has attacked the rust with a vengeance. Got the inner and outer rockers out. Bottom of the A and B pillars are out. So all the rust has been removed from the car except what's the last piece in the trunk for. So we are well on our way. Later. I was going to put the alternator on today, but apparently the other packing piece was missing from this car. So that has been added to the to-order list. And my brother's pretty much got all this cleaned up, ready to install the rockers tomorrow. And I'd managed to get a little bit of work done on the engine. Got the fuel pump and oil filter on, and yes, we did not splurge for a spin-on oil filter. The new owner can do that if they so desire. I think I'll clean up the valve cover tomorrow and put that on too. Working on the motor mounts. Got them out here drying. My handy dandy little paint stand. It does dual duty as a motor puller, but yeah, get the motor mounts painted up. There's one, got the other one hanging down here drying. So, yeah, it's coming along. Later.